Excellency, I will only be adding 2 remarks, not more than 2. First of all, Your Excellency, to thank you very much for making Ajiri a center of excellence for the young people. Secondly, I want to thank you graduates for being tireless, working hard, disciplined to achieve the desired dreams of your hearts. As you venture ahead, I want to wish you all the best. In your curriculum, graduates, I've seen you've done youth talent and music, financial management, computer packages, mental health, and above all, personal branding. That will give you the trajectory to fly even higher. Thank you very much for that. Lastly, Your Excellency, thank you for finding me suitable to be your personal assistant. Your Excellency, I will not send the money to a wrong number. And lastly, Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to welcome you and humbly